If I could rewind time like a tape inside a boombox, one day for every pill or Percocet that I ate. Cut down on the volume, I'd have heard everything, but death is turning so definite. Wait, they got me all hooked up to some machine. I love you, beans. Didn't want you to know I was struggling. Feels like I'm underwater, submerged like a submarine. Just heard that nurse say my liver and kidneys aren't functioning. Been flirtatious with death, skirt chasing, I guess. It's a Reba dirt chase. Same nurse just heard say they're unplugging me, and it's your birthday. Jade, I'm missing your birthday. Baby girl, I'm sorry, I fucking hate when you hurt, hey. And sweeties, thank you for waiting to open gifts. So girls, you can just open them. Dad ain't making it home for Christmas. Wish I had the strength to just blow a kiss. I go to make a fist, but I can't make when I'm frozen stiff. I yell but nothing comes out. I'm crying inside, I shout. My vocal cords won't permit me, I scream but it's not allowed. You put your arm around mama to calm her. Wow, I just thought about the aisle. I'll never get to walk his down. Never see you graduating your cats and gowns. It's about to be 2008 cause it's happening now. I got so much more to do. In proof I'm truly sorry if I let you down, but this tore me in two. The thought of no more me and you. You gave me shoes, Nikes like new for me for school. Duty, I'm trying, but you were the glue that bind it. So many things, time I'd give anything to rewind it. I had to walk down my halls and constantly be reminded by pictures all on my walls, and I couldn't sleep at night, cause that image burned in my brain of you on that table, me falling across your body, not able to stand to save you. God, why did you take him? I'm trying to keep his legacy alive, but I'm dying. Where's Nathan? Little ladies, be brave. Take care of your mother. Smile pretty for pictures. Always cherish each other. I'll always love you, and I'll be in the back of your memory. And I know you'll never forget me. Just don't get sad when remembering. And little bro, keep making me proud. You better marry that girl, cause she's faithfully down. And when you're exchanging those sacred vows, just know that if I could be there, I wouldn't. Should you ever see parenthood, I know you'll be good at it. Oh, almost forgot to do something. Thank my father too. I actually learned a lot from you. You taught me what not to do. And mom wish I'd have had the chance to have one last heart-to-heart, honest and open talk with you. Duty, I see you, I go to walk to you, and I can feel my soul leave my body and float across the room. Nurses lean over the bed, pulling tubes out. Then the sheet over my head, shut the room down. Girls, please don't get upset. I see them cheeks soaking and wet as you squeeze hold of my neck. So forcibly don't wanna let me go pillow drenched. Emotional wrecks with every second each closer to death. But suddenly I feel my heart begin to beat slow than a breath. Machines go. Must have guessed the G codes to this shit. I'm trying to rewind time like a tape. Find an escape, make a beeline. Trying to wake from this dream. I need to refine my inner strength to remind me, even if a steep climb I must take to rewrite a mistake. I'm rewinding the tape. I don't think she understands the sacrifices that I've made. Maybe if this bitch had acted right, I would've stayed. But I've already wasted over half my life. I would've laid down and died for you. I no longer cried for you. No more pain, bitch. You took me for granted. Took my heart and ran it straight into the planet. Into the dirt, I can no longer stand it. Now my respect, I demand it. I'ma take control of this relationship. appreciate me, I deserve respect.
Trunks with the
I try my best
sauce.
to give you nothing less than perfectness.
Lay me down to fall asleep. I pray to God my soul to keep. As I lay me down to fall asleep. I pray to God my soul.
Then I know that if I end this, I'll no longer have nothing left. But you keep treating me like a staircase, it's time to fucking step. And I won't be coming back, so don't hold your fucking breath. You know what you've done, no need to go in depth. I told you you'd be sorry if I fucking left. I laughed while you wept. How's it feel now? Yeah, funny ain't it? You neglected me. Did me a favor, all my spirit free, you said. But a special place for you in my heart I've kept. Don't I give you enough of my time? You don't think so, do you? Jealous when I spend time with the girls. Why I'm married to you still, man, I don't know. But tonight I'm serving you with papers. I'm divorcing you. Go marry someone else and make them famous. And take away that freedom like you did to me. Treat them like you don't need them and they ain't worthy of you. Treat them the same shit that you made me eat. I'm moving on to get you out.
Trunks
Now
with the sauce.
I feel special when I was with you.
Lay me down to fall.
Trunks with the sauce.
I pray to God my soul to keep. As I lay me down to fall asleep. I pray to God my soul.
All I ever felt was this helplessness in prison by a selfish bitch. Chew me up and spit me out. I've done for this so many times, it's ridiculous. And still I stick with this. I'm sick of this. But in my sickness and addiction, you're addictive as they get. Evil as they come, vindictive as they make them. My friends keep asking me why I can't just walk away from them. I'm addicted to the pain, the stress, the drama. I'm drawn to, so I guess I'm a mess. Cursed and blessed, but this time I ain't changing my mind. I'm climbing out this abyss. You're screaming as I walk out that I'll be missed. But when you spoke of people who meant the most to you, you left me off your list.
Trunks with the sauce.
Even you, my life sentence is served, bitch, and it's just.
Lay me down to fall asleep. I pray to God my soul to keep. Lay me
Trunks with the sauce.
down to fall asleep. I pray to God my soul. As I lay me down to fall
D9 on the track. Nico.
I could be with anybody, I choose you. Still, it's no excuse to abuse you. But no one knows what I'm going through, so I'd use you. To be truthful, I wouldn't know what to do if I lose you. So I refuse to. Might have a screw loose and a fuse blew. But I think I might be building up a tolerance to you. Cause one minute I'm hollering, screw you. Next I take it back. Guess you could say I'm trying to unscrew you. But the shit's about to pop off, yeah. I fill you up, then I got you totally open as soon as I take your top off. You're so hard to resist, you knock my socks off. My friends say you're bad for me, hogwash.
I'll never love again the way I loved you. Did you find someone new? Are you doing this for them? Cause I remember when you was mine, yeah. We were inseparable at one time, yeah. You know my love for you was undying, yeah. Used to always have my
Some days it feels like you're all that I have. That's why I'm trying to hold on to you for as long as I can. And you just want me for my money, so I got you wrapped all in saran. Damn, talk about eating out the palm of my hand. But if not for my financials, I wouldn't have you anyways. There have been plenty days where I'm just in a daze and I can't pull myself up out this rut, and you're so much of a handful. I can only take so much of you all at one time, because too much of you's just too much to swallow sometimes. Gotta take you in doses, but when you're not at my side, I shake in convulsions, separation anxiety, cause we may be the closest. Yeah, baby, we hopeless, don't we make an atrocious combination? We know it's like playing with explosives, quite dangerous though. But my brain's in hypnosis, such a wide range of emotions, migraines, but why the fuck am I taking these motions? Ibuprofen's like a drop of rain in the ocean. You're my fix on the days when I'm broken, but the shit's about to go sideways, I just know it.
I'll never love again the way I loved you. Did you find someone new? Are you doing this for them?
watch some movies. I went from trusting these tricks, now they all wanna sue me, so fuck them all.
They told me to slow down, I just slow down. Good luck trying to convince a rhyme. It's like telling Gwen to rhyme, just slow down, just slow down.
Cause I just sit it on the mic and I like getting caught. I get excited, deciding my blood, you're gonna fight, but I know it's hot.
Yeah,
Mama said there ain't nothing else to talk about. Better go in there, bring and knock 'em out, but you better not come out. Came up rough, came to ruffle feathers, now egos, I ain't deflated. My last chance to make it so stadium. It was
from school, I was so shy, timid. 2 pairs of jeans, I'd alternate. From me close, I remember pegging my mom, but came up with crackers, cause those were new. Say things that get Paul, those ponies we used, and no size fit. How do you get the shit beat out of you? Beat down and beat up, beat when you don't have enough beat. No valid side life, chance to make it a succeed. Cause you're the one to start, it's like you grew up on Trump Street. From Trump Street. This whole world is a mess. Gotta have a goddamn vest on your chest and a Glock just to go watch Batman. Who needs to test the testicles? Not that man. Half you don't got the guards intestinal block. It's rest cause you got lab man. Someone drop the ball if I don't get it quick. Popping out shrubbery on you sons of bitches.
Wrong subdivision to fuck with bitch with 7 fucking pictures. I'm not kids, I love my beauty. But you push me to the limit, what a beat.
The shit I complain about. Got them climbing the fences. Lost some time to addiction, but look up rhyming the dictionary. I'm in the picture. Eminem is the synonym for it. I'm an enigma. Fuck it, let's get to the meat. I'm gonna skip the weighted fly. Can't believe this little hit block. This hip hop shit in this hip hop. And it's still the shit got that white trash traffic and gridlock. Shit hopping like 6 blocks from a kid block. Insane clown posse concert and hit hop and hit hop. So you might not hear sirens at all, but don't be alarmed if I sound off. Something just ain't right with me, dog. Martyr on a private charter. Whose life could be harder? Widely regarded, highly fight me, sweetheart. I'm slightly retarded. More afraid of success than I am failure. So what does that tell you? Then on a grand scale, I don't give a fuck about nothing. Like Stan Mail in his last piece of fan mail before he ran straight into the damn rail. They told me to slow down, I just slow down. Good luck trying to convince a rhyme. It's like telling Gwen to rhyme, just slow down, just slow down.
Cause I just sit it on the mic and I like getting caught. I get excited, deciding my blood, you're gonna fight, but I know it's hot.
Yeah,
Mama said there ain't nothing else to talk about. Better go in there, bring and knock 'em out, but you better not come out. Came up rough, came to ruffle feathers, now egos, I ain't deflated. No last chance to make it so stadium, it was.
I keep getting fucking alerts on my phone. Yeah, what part that was and shit. Eminem completely phones in his verse. Fuck this.
They told me to slow down, I just slow down. Good luck trying to convince a rhyme. It's like telling Gwen to rhyme, just slow down, just slow down.
Cause I just sit it on the mic and I like getting caught. I get excited, deciding my blood, you're gonna fight, but I know it's hot.
Yeah,
Mama said there ain't nothing else to talk about. Better go in there, bring and knock 'em out, but you better not come out. Came up rough, came to ruffle feathers, now egos, I ain't deflated. No last chance to make it so stadium, it was.
I won't forget you. I couldn't if I tried. I won't regret you. Glad you were in my life. I won't forget you. I couldn't if I tried. I won't regret you. Glad you in my life.
You'll be coming out of mommy's stomach soon. I better do something quick if I'ma be able to support you. I can barely support me, but as long as you're healthy, that's all that matters for the time being. But obviously, assuming you will be, just thinking ahead. I'ma make it if it kills me. Let's see how far I can take it with this music. I'm getting sick of chasing this illusion. I'm sorry for sloppy writing. The pen in my hand is shaking. Please excuse me, Dad's a little nervous, but at the same time excited. If I use the same energy while I'm saying rhymes and write them with the same passion and the same exact enthusiasm as I'm using in this letter, maybe they can feel me as I'm trying to build these castles out of sand, baby girl. But you to sit on the throne, I got plans, baby girl. Welcome to Mom and Dad's crazy world. Look, Daddy, maple flavor kisses, buttered pancakes and syrup.
I won't forget you. I couldn't if I tried. I won't regret you. Glad you in my life.
You got your mama's personality, same eyes as I got. Her beautiful smile, but your ears are the same size as mine are. Sorry for that, little minor mishap, but you grow into them, baby. I'm on the grind now. I'm doing little shows, open mics all night as at studios. While I'm trying to keep the lights on, why does it seem like I'm so close to this dream? Yet so far, I just keep staring. I'ma turn into someone I have you if it falls through. You took your first steps today, you probably walk soon. My infinite CD block, too many song tunes. They're talking bad about dad, it's ticking me off too. Makes me feel like I don't belong or something. Ooh, I think I might have just stumbled onto something new. Got a prediction for the future. I'm hoping that you open this envelope when you're older and it holds true.
I won't forget you. I couldn't if I tried. I won't regret you. Glad you in my life.
I guess I better try to explain. A lot's happened in between them since I rise to this fame. I said your name, but always tried to hide your face. This game is crazy. I wanted to claim my love for you, but dang, I never knew it'd be like this. If I did, I wouldn't have done it. You ain't asked for none of this shit. Now you're being punished. Things that should have been private with me and your mother is public. I can't stomach. They can take this fame back. I don't want it. I put out this last album, then I'm done with it. 100% finished, fed up with it. I'm hanging it up. Fuck it. Excuse the cursing, baby, but just know that I'm a good person. Though they portray me as cold, and if things should worsen, don't take this letter I wrote. It's a goodbye note. Cause your dad's at the end of this road. I'm sliding down a slippery slope. Anyway, sweetie, I better go. I'm getting sleepy. Love, Dad. Shit out.
I won't forget you. I couldn't if I tried. I won't regret you. Glad you in my life. I won't forget you. I couldn't if I tried. I won't regret you. Glad you in my life.
Hey Nate, I was like, play it. I get scared when I walk in these videos. Yeah, the sales can rise, doesn't mean much though when your health declines. See, we've all got something that we trapped inside that we try to suffocate, you know, hoping it dies. Try to hold it underwater.
He walked out. I almost died. It was almost a homicide that you caused, cause I was so traumatized. Felt like I was in for a long bus ride. I'd rather die than you not by my side. Can't count how many times I pounded it, cried, go to my room, turn the radio on and hide. Pop, but Bonnie and Clyde, no. On the inside, you can check on the night. I felt like my whole relationship with you was a lie. It was you and I, why did I think it was fine or die? Cause if you could've took my life, you would've. It's like you put a knife in my chest and pushed it right through to the other side of my back. Started fight too, should've put up more of a fight, but I couldn't at the time. No one could hurt me like you could've. Take you back now, what's the likelihood of that fight? Bitch, chewing a 19-footer. Cause this morning I finally stood up. Held my chin up, finally showed a sign of life can be fun. First time since you left and left me with nothing but shattered dreams of the life we could've had and we could've been. But I'm breaking out of this slump I'm in, pulling myself out of this lumps once again. I'm getting up once and for all, fuck this shit.
Ooh, yeah. Don't say that you don't mind, do you? Mind, do you? Ooh, yeah. Take come back, say that you don't know. Ooh, yeah. Don't say that you don't mind, do you? Mind, do you? Ooh, yeah. Take come back, say that you don't know.
Look, I mean this with love when I say it. I wanna answer the phone when you call me. The problem is it's 10 a.m. and you're already drinking. You're probably already wasted. What's the point of having conversation with somebody that won't remember we had conversation? Yeah, we always talk about the same things, we just say them different. Try to fix it. Crazy, isn't it? You say mama's always proud and play the videos of us as kids, I get it. I think that both of us live in the past, so we take for granted the present. Maybe next time I'm in Michigan, I'll come and visit. We ain't got a lot in common, but both of us miss her. We can sit inside your smoke for living room and tear up together. That's just about taking chances, making moves. Not about what you did, it's what you do. Build on what you got and learn from what you lose, and never let people distract you from being you.
Ooh, yeah. Don't say that you don't mind, do you? Mind, do you? Ooh, yeah. Take come back, say that you don't know. Ooh, yeah. Don't say that you don't mind,
how this game laced me. Plus with this fame, I got enemies do anything to break me. My attitude changed, got to the point where I was driven. 24/7 money's my mission, just a nigga trying to make a living. These busters bitch don't want no mail. They spending their riches on scandalous pictures. Once they petrified of jail, it's hell. Plus all the dealers want a meal ticket. Jealous ass bitches, player hating, but we still kick it. Always keep my eyes on the prize, watch the police. See so much murder, neighborhoods getting no sleep. But still, I get my money on major. Continuously communicating through my page. Niggas know me, don't have no homies since they jealous. I'm solo, cause when I'm broke, I got no time for the fellas. Listen.
America got a thing for this gangsta shit. They love me. Black chuckers, black gully, love the Pele Pele. I think spit over rainbow shit. I'm a fan who got that silver duct tape on my tray ain't handle. The women in my life bring confusion and shit. So like Nino when New Jack, I'll cancel that bitch. Look at me. This is the life I chose. Niggas around me so cold. Man, my heart done froze. I build an empire on a load of knocks. Don't know I'm the weatherman. I take that cocoa leaf and make that snow. Sit back, watch it turn the dope. Watch it go out the dope. O after O, you know. Homie, I'm just triple beam. Dreaming, niggas be scheming. I finna live the good life. The fiends are just fiending. Conceal my weapon nice and neat so you can't see. The penitentiary is definitely out the question for me.
Just a young black male. Hurt since my birth, had to turn the crack stairs. At worst come the worst, headed for them back to jails, or maybe it's urge. My only way to stack mail is out there doing dirt. Make my decisions do or die. Been hustling since junior high. No time for asking why. Getting high, getting mine. Put away my 9, cause these times go for 4-5 sales. This life is hell and everybody dies. What about these niggas I despise? Them loud talking cowards shooting guns in the crowd. Jeopardizing lives. Shooting right between them niggas' eyes. It's time to realize. Follow the rules or follow the booze to die. Everybody's trying to make the news. Niggas confused. Been trying to be an OG and pay your dues if you choose to apply yourself.
It's the hustler's ambition. Close your eyes, listen, see my vision. Mossberg pumping, shotgun dumping. The drama means nothing. It's part of the game. Catch me in the coupe, switching lanes, or in the jeweler, switching chains and upgrade from 30 BS to clean BS. Rocks that I cop from proceeds from the spot. I got the energy to win. I'm full of adrenaline, play the curve and get nauseous. Watching the standard spin, I make plans to make it a prisoner of the state. Now I can invite your ass down to my estate. Them hollow tips bent me up, but I'm back in shape. Pour Cristal in the blender, make a protein shake. I'm like the East Coast #1 playboy B. Hugh Hefner tell you he ain't got shit on me. The feds watch me, icy, they can't stop me. Racists pointing at me, looking nigga right.
Man, I don't see why they hate me. I'm a clown like John and Casey. They call me Kanye crazy. Hate shit Beyonce, Jay-Z. And I'm back with Andre, baby. And the doctor's operating, but he never put no scrubs on. From stoop kid out the shady. Shady like a shadow or your silhouette. Intellect up, better check and see why you feel upset. Cause I met your bitch on the internet that I'm getting back like a pillow pet. That bimbo came to the lips all the way around his phone and nimble. Like a dusty cartridge from an old Nintendo. Those were the days, but I bet you I'm never gonna be broke again, no. I don't smoke, but I got paper to be blunt. I'm rolling Indo. And I keep it 1,0,0,0. Real. Murder. Kill. Nigga played it 22. Picture the fucking fall, shoot. Ain't shit I won't do, just to get a few YouTube views. Run up in the church like pew. Cause that's what I do. Believe into the ingrained human eye. We ain't the same, you and I. Somebody should have explained you why. For you to go against me is simply insane, you will die. Yeah, that's why they call me kamikaze. It's plain suicide. Yeah, but I know magic, and here go my last chick. I'm about to say abracadabra and pull it, be rapping about in my head. I'm about to relapse, and I bet you that you won't know how to react. But I look at this, cause I don't doubt it be that as I begin to fucking devour the track, and you backpedal that as I cowardly act like a Saudi attack when the towers collapse.
I was told I was never nothing special. I don't need to be reminded of it every other second, especially when all my self-esteem's already shot to hell. I'm falling helplessly, I'm embarrassed. I don't want no one else to see, cause I feel like I'm a piece of shit every time she yells at me. Selfishly addicted, definitely doesn't help that she makes me feel like I've died and gone to heaven, but makes life a living hell for me. She does that thing with her lip, now she's melting me. I'm partying her balls, I'm wrapped around her finger. A yo-yo on a string, she lets me sit there and just dangle until something better comes along and she'll just drop me like a hot potato. I look like I'm in pain, but I'm okay though.
I'm drowning at sea, hoping that you'll reach for me. I know
tragic endings. I'm dying to breathe, and all you do is strangle me. Such a beautiful relief, getting so drunk off tragic endings.
In my moments of weakness, I openly admit the shit I wouldn't normally. I'm extremely self-conscious and enormously insecure. She uses it to torture when she torments me. It only turns to ammunition for her. In this war, when she gets going, she don't stop. When I'm up, she's like a downer. When I found her, it was love at first encounter. But somehow she must have took the carton of eggs off the counter, cracked them and placed all the shells on the ground for me to walk on when I'm around her. But there's just something about her that makes me not able to function without her. How can I get out of it when I don't know how to? I'm a doubter, I'm a pessimist. Make a believer out of me and show me the way now. I'll stay the fuck out of my
It's
cloud.
like I'm drowning at sea, hoping that you'll reach for me. I know you're there, but I can't see, 'cause I'm so drunk off tragic endings. I'm dying to breathe, and all you do is strangle me. Such a beautiful relief, getting so drunk off tragic endings.
Wild for me to get it, but I think I figured it out. She don't want me, she just don't wanna see me with someone else. The idea of seeing me happy destroys her in itself. To see me falling to pieces brings her joy, it brings her hell. But it annoys her to see me get distracted, say screw her. I threw up on myself, I'm dumb sick, I'm addicted to her. She's trying to block the door, so here's how I do her. Since I'm a newer, she's a sewer. This time this piece of shit's running through her. I can see the light, now I'm running to it. What the fuck should I knew it? Who would think she'd actually had a balls to do it? As soon as I hopped in it, she doused the car with lighter fluid. She's standing there with a rag, about to put the lighter
It's
to
like
it.
I'm drowning at sea, hoping that you'll reach for me.